Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Gemini AI app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to convert your audio file into text using Google Gemini AI app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gemini app. After you open up your Google Gemini app, go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. Then go ahead and click on Files. Then go ahead and click on Audio. Under the audio file, select any audio file that you want to transcribe. So I'm going to select this particular audio file. After you successfully upload your audio file, go ahead and ask Gemini, can you please translate, transcribe from audio to text, and hit send. Just like so, you have everything being transcribed right here into text. You can as well go on and work with this particular text without any stress in Google Gemini AI app. It's that simple. And you can as well click on here to listen to the transcription in audio in Google Gemini AI app. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Gemini app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.